Just a chicken plow. You tell me what else is on the menu, please, sir, for today.
Let's take apart a little tape player.
The screw's still kind of in there. There you go. That'll do it.
I really only wanted to unhook the mic from it. How the fuck did I get that out of there? Hail Satan. Cool. On here we got a red wire and a black wire hooked up to the batteries. Yellow, gray, and blue. All three of them go to the volume. Brown and green hooked up to the little power plug on the back. Yellow wire and white wire and black. That little switch just turns on the motor. The amplifier from it's got all kinds of shit on it. 5 transistors. Couldn't turn it into just a standalone amplifier and do away with the tape player part of it. Doing it right, man. We're going to make a little kid's toy. We're going to do it right. We're going to take the care to put every one of these little wires through a hole in the board so that we feel like we really put some effort into this. Yellow and orange go to the motor. I guess they were breaking the negative to the motor. Whatever works. Well, this is the mic that was hooked up to it, so I guess I'll just take this bastard apart and see how the fuck it's wired up.
Country girl, I gave you my phone number and you never called me.
Please. We got a lovely...
You broke my feelings.
FET condenser microphone.
I only have one feeling left.
Held in by a Walmart bag, of course. It's classic. Yellow is hooked up to the mic and it's been bypassed.
You gave me your police department number, you fucking idiot.
Country department's phone number is mine.
I don't know, I might.
Country girl, if you...
Oh, jeez, man. Do you feel jealous?
Country girl, if you put King Tone's name in your description, you're dead to me. I'm never gonna talk to you again.
Cheese man, you have a wife. And I didn't know he was gonna say that, cheese man. But you know what? You're a little jealous, and this is only a chat app.
I'm jealous because you meant something to me, country girl, and now King Tone's just stolen you right out from under me. Can't take it.
Well, King Tone, cheese man is really, really mad. And I don't give a flippin'.
Don't curse, honey. It makes you sound simple.
Country girl's my girl, man. Hopefully she can fulfill my needs. She's my girl now. Anyone else think that she's theirs can fuck off.
Well,
A tow truck, and I'm gonna...
I didn't know he was going to say that, cheese man. Take your tow truck and stick it up your ass.
I'm sorry, country girl. I'm in a flatbed. I'm gonna get a flatbed, and I'm gonna roll over there, and I'm gonna steal you back.
Yeah, if you can stick the tow truck up your ass, I'll
Burn those Bibles.
You ain't gonna do nothing. King Tone has me now. Yeah, King Tone. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yep, you heard it live on CB. King Tone has me now, she said. So I'm her boy. You got a problem with that? Anyone got a problem with that? Come on.
Well, you know what, country girl? I'll only believe you if you put that in your description. If you make it official, then I'll believe you.
Oh, it's official. Hey, you got cacao? Country girl? Get cacao.
Oh, God, don't ask him about that guy who invented the rocket. It'll drive him up a wall.
I don't have cacao. I can't get cacao.
need to get Cacao.
Yeah, she's over her minutes in that on her Obama phone.
I am not on an Obama phone. I have a very expensive straight talk phone, fucker.